Hey everybody, welcome back to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel. In today's really fun video, we're going to make a really amazing apple torte. Super easy, super delicious. Let's get started. Into my bowl, I'm going to get all of my white granulated sugar. To that, I'm going to add in my butter. That's good. I'm going to close down my mixer. We'll get that going. Just want to cream this up a little bit. This is a new stand mixer, by the way. This is the Craftsman KM50. If you want more information about this, I'll put it down underneath the video in the description box. I'm going to add in my egg. So that's a large egg. I'll add in my little bit of salt. That's good. And my vanilla. And let's mix this up. That's good. And then we have our flour. This is all-purpose flour. We've got my little bit of baking powder. We'll get that in. Just give that a little bit of a stir. That's good. And then I'm just going to get this into the bowl. Just mix this up a little bit. While it's going, I'm just going to get all of my milk in. Just want to make sure everything's well mixed. And that's perfect. I have a 9-inch square tart pan. This is equal to 23 centimeters square. Now I'm just going to get my batter right into the pan. This recipe is so easy, but it yields a really nice cake. Okay, that is good. Just get that into the corners. I can remove my little clips. I just wanted to make sure that my baking paper stayed in place. And that is baking paper, and all I did was put it under some water. Just run the tap, put it under the water, and just scrunch it up into a ball, and then just squeeze it out. And it allows you to get the baking paper into a easy form, just like this. I'm just going to get all that around. That looks good. Right into the corners. And just try to even it out. I think that looks good. I have some apples here. This is 3 apples, medium size. So then you're just going to take them and just start loading them in any which way you want. I just want to do a little pattern with them. So you kind of want to push them right into the batter. Just give them a little push. I'm going to have apples left over, but it doesn't matter. Makes a nice little snack. And you don't have to do the apple like this. You could actually dice the apple and just drizzle it all on top. You could add even apple, cubed apple, diced apple, and put it right into the batter as well. But this is a traditional format of this recipe. But you can mix it up any which way you want. That's a nice one right there. There we go. And then, for your last step, get some cinnamon. And now just sprinkle that right on the top. And you could have also added cinnamon to the batter if you wanted to. Just do a nice healthy sprinkle. If you don't want it too overpowering, don't put too much. I'll just turn it this way. Just go this way now. Constantly move your hand as you're sprinkling. You want to make sure that you get all the corners. I think that looks pretty good, just like that. Look at that. Oh, this is going to be amazing. My oven right now is going at 177 degrees Celsius, which is 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm going to bake my apple torte, and then I'll come back. Hey everybody, I am back, and I baked my apple torte for exactly 40 minutes in my 350 degree Fahrenheit oven, which is 177 degrees Celsius. It looks amazing, and it smells amazing as well. So at this point, what I want to do, I'm going to remove it from the pan, and then off camera I'm just going to move this into the pan. This has a removable bottom, which is really nice. And I want to serve it in here instead of on here. So I've successfully moved it out of the parchment paper into the nice little torte pan. And let's check this out. So you just give it a little push and it comes right out. That's what's great about this type of pan. Look at that. Oh, that looks so good. And for our last little step, let's go in and take a little slice. This smells so amazing. I wish you could be here. So tender. Oh, you can just feel that with the knife. Just like that. Get under here. Look at that. Oh, that is nice. Let me spin that around so you can see that. That looks awesome. So there we have it. Oh, if you love apple, you're going to love this recipe. Let me just take a little piece off of here. Look at this. Oh, I never get tired of this. Look at that. Mmm. That is so good. Perfectly sweet, and the cinnamon just turns this cake into magic. This is so good. So that's it for this really fun video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish, and if you're on Facebook, I'm also over there at BakeLikeAPro. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. So good. That is yummy. And please subscribe to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel, and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video. If you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. On the screen now, you can choose a video to watch, or you can also click and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you once again for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I really appreciate it.